Hi, namaste friends. Let us see today's COVID-19 cases as well as death rate in the numerical form, and we can say recovery cases have been increasing from today, and we can say even peak point has been reached in all the countries, and some countries even third wave is going on. So that please wear mask while going out, take precautions before getting COVID-19, and be aware of black fungus, white fungus as well as yellow fungus, and stay home, stay safe, and let's go into the today's data. Okay guys, as you can see the COVID-19 active cases of today, and in numerical form if we say the total cases of today's registered are 4,06,833 cases have been registered today, and we can say recovery we can say day by day it is decreasing, as well as even cases are decreasing, recovery cases are increasing. We can say it's nearly 1694, and we can say the recovery cases are decreasing. If we see today's recovery cases, it is 7,05,110. And if we see in data as well as we can say newly registered cases in graph form, if we see in graph, the daily new cases are decreasing, so that they are following the rules of government, which is following the regulations, as well as even people are following the government rules and regulations, so that the cases are decreasing day by day. And even some of the countries have announced lockdown to reduce the new cases as well as death. If we see death, we can say death is decreasing now onwards, and we can say even peak point has been reached, so that the death rate is been decreasing. We can say even death will be decreasing day by day. And even if we see in table form, first is USA, second is India, third is Brazil, fourth is France, fifth is Tokyo, sixth is Russia, seventh is UK, and eighth is Italy. If we see today's registered cases of top 8 countries, India is at the second place, and only India has registered today's cases. We can say 1378 cases have been registered today. And if we see other countries, Mexico, Ukraine, Pakistan, Israel, we can say all the country cases have been increasing. We can say whichever country the cases are increasing, we can say third wave has been started in this country. And if we see total cases of today, the total cases of today are 21,105, and total death are 626. So, a word from me, wear mask while going out. Even third wave, some of the countries have been started, third wave COVID-19, and it is going to affect the children's for breathing. So that please take care of your family, please take care of your friends. Take care of your family as well as friends, and take precautions before getting COVID-19. And if you are a discharged patient from hospital, then you have to take care of yourself for at least 10 days, so that you may observe any variations. If you observe any variation, then it must be a black fungus, white fungus, or yellow fungus. So that take care of yourself. Okay, that's it for the video. If you like the information, please like, share and subscribe, and if you comment, it will be useful for us. And subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.